Hi, I'm Chef Gail Sokol and welcome to my kitchen. Today is an incredible tip day. So I am going to discuss 3 ways to stabilize whipped cream. Now, a lot of you may know 1 or 2 of these, but there's a few more ways than you might even think. So before we get started, I'd like you to click that notification button. I'd like you to become a subscriber because I don't want you to miss any of these tips or my incredible recipes. And more than anything, I like having you in my kitchen. So 3 ways to stabilize whipped cream. We all love whipped cream. We spend many minutes whipping our cream either by hand or in a machine, an electric mixer, and then several hours later, it weeps. It cries, it goes back to its original liquid state. So we don't want that to happen. So if I'm making a chocolate mousse cake or I'm making a cream pie, I don't want my whipped cream to weep. So there's 3 different ways that you can stabilize it. The first way is the way that you have seen me do many times. Unflavored gelatin, powdered gelatin. You don't want any flavor to it. You take about a half a teaspoon and you sprinkle it into a little cup, and then you put a tablespoon of cold water for every teaspoon of unflavored gelatin, and then you mix it up with a spoon and you let it sit and bloom, because otherwise the gelatin would be crunchy if you added it into your whipped cream. So you want to let it bloom. It'll get nice and sort of like a jellyfish, and it will absorb all that water so that when you turn the glass upside down, it'll actually not come out. It'll actually be swelled up. And then what you'll do is you'll pop it into a nice warm, like a little bit of a hot water bath. Get it so it's liquefied, but make sure it's just barely warm before you add it to your whipped cream. Never add hot, melted down gelatin to whipped cream. So you want to add it to your whipped cream when it's the electric mixer, when it's already mostly beaten to a, to full strong peaks. And then you will add it in. And it will keep your whipped cream for at least 2 or 3 days. All right. Second way, and this is a way that I have used a lot. You take some fully fatted Greek yogurt, about a half a cup for every cup of heavy cream, and fold it in after the cream is beaten up to this, really full and really thick state. You will fold in with a rubber spatula your cold, fully fatted Greek yogurt, unflavored. If you want to flavor it, you can, but unflavored is the best. It works great. Last way to do it is taking some instant pudding. Who knew? Vanilla pudding, 1 tablespoon for every cup of heavy cream, and it will give you an incredible, very powerful vanilla flavor to your heavy cream. And that's because there's special gelatins in here in the actual instant version of the pudding mix. Make sure it says instant. If it doesn't say instant, it's not going to be the same. But the instant has special starches in there that do not need to be heated in order to be activated and thicken things and stabilize them. So these are my beautiful 3 ways to stabilize your whipped cream so you can enjoy your whipped cream desserts in whatever they're in, cakes, pies, whatever, for days and days to come. I hope you become a subscriber. I hope you follow one of these tips. Till next time.